So a couple of people have asked me about the gazebo setup that I use as seen in some of my videos. So I just thought I'd do a video just to show you the gazebo and just how quick and easy it is to set up. So let's have a look. So this is the gazebo that I have. It's a 4.5 meter by 3 meter and little pop-up shelter. This particular one is from a company, Surf and Turf Shelters, and they do a whole load of different sizes, colours and ranges of these type of gazebos and tents and marquees, along with a whole load of different products for marketing stuff, inflatables, things like that. So for me, it's a brilliant bit of kit. Being completely mobile without a premises, it allows me to have a kind of as close as I can to a little repair shelter to work in, either when it's too bright and sunny or obviously when it's just a little bit wet and miserable. All very good with this shelter until you start getting winds about 15-20 mile per hour. And I know from experience, I've learned the hard way, there's a limit to what these shelters can take. I've bent and broke a few and hang on to them in the wind. Effectively, it turns into one big kite and can easily take off and take you with it, or worst case scenario, damage the car that you are working on as these metal legs scrape down it. And yes, I am speaking from experience. So that's it. Pretty much the shelter in terms of setup is done. Nice, quick and easy. So I just run across to the van now, get out the weights that support these legs. And whilst doing it, let's have a little workout as well. And we're done. Cheesy pose? Check. And now let's put it all back in the van. So that's it for the gazebo setup. Took about, I think, 4 minutes 20 on the timer to set up, and it's just as quick, if not quicker, to put it back away again. So that's one of the pop-up shelters that I use. We do also do sort of larger repairs and some paint repairs. So we've got sides that go around the whole thing, which really makes it like a mobile repair unit. I'm out of breath, so it's clearly a good workout as well. But thanks for watching. I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online.